Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in the Outlook app. This AI-powered feature can help you draft emails faster, summarize lengthy threads, and manage your inbox more efficiently. So let's get it set up. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook web app. To do this, head to your browser and type in outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you into your main email interface, where all your messages and folders are displayed. Give it a moment to fully load in your emails and sync your account. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to enable Copilot in Outlook. Look at the top right part of your screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu and it's where all your customization options live. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open the settings window. You might notice a panel slide in from the right side of the screen. This is where you'll find various configuration options for your Outlook experience. Once the settings window has opened, you'll directly see several tabs listed on the left side. Look for the Copilot tab and click on it. This tab is specifically designed to manage all your AI assistant preferences and features. Under the Copilot Preferences section, you'll see a toggle button that controls whether Copilot is turned on or off. Simply click this toggle to turn Copilot on. You should see the button change color or position, indicating that Copilot is now active and ready to assist you with your emails. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Copilot in your Outlook app, and you can now take advantage of AI-powered email assistance right from your inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.